With a 3,000% population growth in the last 30 years, there's a reason Frisco, Texas is Boomtown, USA. In this video, I'm gonna share why Frisco should be at the top of your house shopping list. Back in 1990, there were only about 6,500 people here. And now this former railroad stop is home to more than 227,000 people. Four things I love about Frisco, Texas are the jobs, the great schools, the neighborhoods, and the great quality of life. Frisco boasts of 25 Fortune 500 companies and 150 publicly traded companies. It is called Sports City USA with headquarters for 6 professional teams, including the Dallas Cowboys, the Dallas Stars, and FC Dallas Soccer. And now the Professional Golfers Association, or PGA, has a huge presence in Frisco. The PGA complex is simply stunning. It is way more than just a headquarters building. Yes, it has 2 wonderful golf courses, but it is really a gathering place for the community. It is so big, covering 660 acres, and the design style is gorgeous with every detail taken into consideration. It is a destination spot for a night out or time with the family. There's everything golf, 2 amazing courses, a short course, a putting course, hitting bays, a simulator, the driving range, and even a place for kids to practice and learn the game. There's a shopping area with 13 dining choices, a huge screen that shows movies in the evenings, and nearby is the Omni Hotel with 500 rooms. You can get married here, and they even have proposal packages. Wow! Unlimited fun on or off the fairway, PGA headquarters is a win-win for all in Frisco. You can live right next to the PGA by moving to the Fields, a 2,500-acre city within a city project. The Fields will have it all. Beautiful neighborhoods with luxury homes, single-family condos, and apartments. Frisco schools will be on site, and shopping, dining, offices, medical, the ultimate live, work, play lifestyle. Hi, I'm Pollard, and I am a realtor, so I love to keep up with all the new hot things coming up. And let me just tell you, Frisco has so many things up and coming. The models, they are just starting to open with 5,000 lots in the plans. There's 25 miles of biking and hiking and 250 acres of open space. Take a look at the master plan. Fields West will contain the shopping district. It will be a little like Legacy West in Plano, but bigger. Several hotels are in the design as well. Frisco Fields is so large, its boundaries are on each side of the Dallas North Tollway. East of the Tollway will be the East Village with more homes and the newly announced Universal Studios. This theme park is designed for families. This is great news for DFW and will be a great draw. The park will sit on 97 acres of land and will also have a 300-room themed hotel based on Universal characters and stories. It will be geared for younger kids, and developers are working with the public to make sure the area can handle the traffic and the noise from the park. The park is slated to be open in 2026. Also on the eastern edge of the Fields will be an expansion of the University of North Texas, some of which is already built. Here students will be able to get a bachelor's degree and some master's programs along with special technical degrees. Offered exclusively at UNT at Frisco in collaboration with the Dallas Cowboys, students have unequaled access to the most valuable sports franchise in the world to get a master's in sports entertainment management. UNT will not have dorms at its Frisco location, but the Fields will have designated student housing in its community called University Village. And that is a quick update regarding all the wonderful things going on in Frisco. We have many more videos on this great city, so check them out. We have the best luxury neighborhoods, pros and cons of living here, and why I love this city. So if you're interested in moving to Frisco, Texas, or anywhere in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, you can call us, You can email us, or you can fill out the questionnaire in the link below.